Kiss. What is kiss meaning in English? Kiss means to refers to the act of touching someone or something with the lips is a sign of love, affection, greeting, or respect. For example, she gave her mother a good night kiss. He kissed the baby's forehead gently. Gently means with tender manner. Subscribe this channel to learn English vocabulary with meaning. Thanks for watching this video.